So the misconceptions about Kundalini is that there are some snake at the base of your spine, and when you do Kundalini, the snakes go up to Shushumna, they come out of your head, and you get awakened and you get enlightened. It's all crap. So let's not go there. What I like for you to understand is what worked for me and how it worked for me. Is that a day before I did my first class, I was a shithead. I used to smoke 3 packets of cigarettes a day. I used to drink alcohol almost every day. I used to gamble so much that I had a gambling room in my house. I had one room for gambling. And I was big and unhealthy, but I was not unhappy. And I was alright. I was living my life, learning what I had to learn in that experience and that part of my life, that phase of my life. But the way I did my Kundalini Yoga and my first session, I just cried. I don't know, I was not in a bad mood. Like how you're smiling now, I was smiling before the class. And I just cried for the whole session. You just cried and cried and cried and cried. And after I finished my class, it was in Rishikesh. And I had a friend who was coming from the other side. I was walking on the street. And he said, "What happened to you?" I was scared at the walk. What happened to? He said, "What did you just do?" I said, "I don't know. What happened?" He said, "Look at your skin. It's shining." I said, "Oh." So when you cry, you detoxify, you heal, and you glow. So one of the reasons why I did the Kundalini Yoga class, you won't know, is because in the whole festival, there were like 4,000 people, and there were 300 out of those 4,000 were all wearing white clothes, glowing, shining skin, beautiful eyes. The Kundalini class and the Iyengar Yoga class was at the same time. I was Iyengar Yoga student. I don't know. My Iyengar Yoga teacher was Manuso Manos. He's the world number 2. For me, that's like my God, I don't want to do, but I was so curious. So for 6 days, I didn't do Kundalini. For 6 days, I just did Iyengar, like that. And then on day 7, I couldn't resist. I went up to one girl. I said, "Excuse me, do they take your picture and audition you before you become a Kundalini Yoga student?" No, right? I think you all look so beautiful. How can everyone be looking so beautiful? She said, "Why don't you do a class?" I said, No. I'm a younger yoga student. I'm not going to do it. But then curiosity, thankfully, got the better of me. And the one class I did, it affected me so profoundly that I immediately, there and then, signed up for my teacher's training course. I spent 45 days learning Kundalini Yoga to become a teacher, the teacher's training course. And the effect of that was that after 45 days, I went to a party. Now, here is the guy standing next to me who I gambled with every Saturday, Sunday for 3 years. He's standing next to me. And after 10 minutes, I said, "Gaurav, hi." "Oh, fuck." He said, "What happened to you?" I said, "What do you mean what happened?" He said, "You're glowing. You like, it's changed so much. I got to recognize you." I said, "Okay, that's a good thing, right?" He said, "Yeah, what are you doing?" "You don't worry. You won't be able to do it." So the thing is, when you connect with the understanding of what Kundalini Yoga is, when you understand that, I'm not trying to raise your expectations of what's going to happen in this class. Everybody's experience is his own experience based on your life, your karma, what you are meant to experience at a particular time. So I tried to seek spirituality my whole life. From the time I was 13, I was searching. I paid my own money, which I earned, to do a spiritual course. But till the age of 42, I didn't find anything. I kept trying this, I kept trying that. I went to Anand, I went to this, nothing happened. But at 42, my whole life changed. I found what I was looking for now, because that was the time when it was meant for me to have. Everybody has a time. Everybody has a karmic time.